Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to OKX. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Binance application. Once you have logged into your Binance account, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. After that, here you will find Send button, so simply tap on this Send and click on the on chain withdrawal. Here you will need to search for USDT in the search bar and select Tether. After that, once you landed on this same USDT page, here you will need to enter the withdrawing details, the address and network, and after that enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer in your OKX account. In order to get the withdrawal address, you just need to simply minimize your Binance and open your OKX account. Once you have logged into your OKX application, after that simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Here you will find Deposit button, so simply tap on this Deposit. Select the deposit method. Simply tap on the Deposit Crypto. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar, search for USDT and select that. Now here you will need to select the network chain. So here I'm selecting here Aptos chain. If you want to select any other network, you can select according to your requirements, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your assets. Now click on Aptos chain and here you will find your USDT Aptos chain wallet address along with the QR code. So simply tap copy to copy this address, and after copying, simply reopen your Binance application, and after that paste your address here. And after that select a network, so simply click on the Aptos at the top. After that enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer in your OKX account. After entering all these details, click on withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds from Binance to OKX, and that's how you can transfer USDT from Binance to OKX. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.